I just got home from work and I had bought this a while back, but I guess UPS took a while. It came all the way from California, so I guess all the wildfires are going on right now. It took a delay, but I'm about to open this box. I already know what's in here, but you guys don't even know what's in here. It came from, I bought this off a YouTuber a while back, and it finally came in. Try to open this with one hand. I already opened up the box, but I haven't checked it yet, so I don't know if it got damaged or not, but let's see how it came in. So, take all this stuff out. Here it is. And here it is. Here's the cover that I bought for the car. This is the top part, so you know, it's just gonna be the top part, but as you can see, I asked Mike if he could sign it for me, and he did. So I don't know, is, you know, I kind of don't want to put it on the car, but you know, I'm a big fan of his, so you know, let's see what he thinks about it once it's on the car. Hope he feels proud of his new home. Now we're gonna get the other part out. That was just the cover, so if you guys already know, you know what it is. Taking this stuff out. There it is. This right here is my new KINETIX Manifold, and it's gonna go on the Z. Finally, no, I'm not gonna have not that ugly 350Z manifold anymore. I don't like how blocky and big it is. And plus, the good thing about this is, if one day I ever run boost, you know, I don't have to worry about that. And another good thing about this is that whenever I'm doing my spark plugs or coil pack change, I won't have to remove all of that. It's just easy. So we're finally over here in the car, and we're about to take off the strut, and then after that we're gonna start taking off the air box, the plastic cover, and eventually we're gonna start taking off the manifold. But yeah, that's the last time I'm gonna have the stock cover and everything in the car. After that, I'm gonna have the KINETIX covering it instead. Now that it's off, bar. So now that we took off the strut, now we're gonna take off all these bolts. But first we're gonna start off taking the plastic cover, and then afterwards we're gonna start taking off the other bolts around the plenum, and eventually disconnect the air box, the old manifold. So we just took off the cover, the air box, and we're just gonna start taking off apart all of this. The air box is now off. Now we're gonna start taking off the bolts off the plenum and start disconnecting the intake up here. The airbox is now off. Now we're going to start taking off the bolts off the plenum and start disconnecting the intake up here.
para no faltan los bolts acá abajo.
Yeah, we got the Z1 intake. We also got the Gen Wolf pop charger, the KINETIX Manifold, the cover, yeah, with the Myke signature. I really love how it looks. I like how the combo looks with the black, with the chrome, and with the little gold accents here and there, with the golden signature, the golden style heat shield, the chrome KINETIX Manifold, the Z1, and the black trim pieces from the cover, and the little simple things like the Z1. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed how it looks. It was a little bit annoying trying to find the little parts to make it fit to the lines and everything, but maybe if I put in the next part, I'll put a little drive-by ravine with the new manifold setup. Till next time, my name is Ricky. See you later. There's no leaks, nothing goes wrong, hopefully. Wish me luck. But look, listen to this real quick. The train tracks are right over there. I don't know where a miracle happened. You may not think nothing happened here yet, but as soon as we cross this a little bit right over the horizon, you're gonna see it change. Right here. 5 months for these roads. They're way better than how they used to